Hi students, welcome to MOOCs, Massive Open Online Course, Introduction to Visual Communication. The course Visual Communication is all about visuals such as pictures, symbols, films, videos, books, magazines, paintings, posters, etc. It draws its sustenance from the main branch of communication. Its theoretical anchoring also hails mainly from the domain of communication. Visuals are interpreted or deconstructed in terms of Indian semiotics and aesthetics, as there is no universally agreed upon semiotics or aesthetics. Semiotics plays a key role in comprehending or negotiating a visual. As semiotics vary in culturally divergent societies like India, their applications and deconstructions too change from region to region. However, there are some nationally accepted semiotics drawing their basis from the grand Indian ethos and epics. For instance, colors play a key role in interpreting native cultures such as religions, as India is a secular and pluralistic society. It is very important for learner to know these differences to avoid communal tensions arising by hurting the feelings of a specific religion or community. Red, orange and yellow are very unique and significant to Hindu religion. At the same time, green color plays an important role in Islamic culture. Therefore, colors themselves speak religious connotations and philosophical denotations. The shift from affects model of communication to semiotics in the last half of 20th century has rendered the branch of visual communication as collective social experience. The primary objectives of this course are: it intends to bring a sense of appreciation of Indian art traditions comprising 7 arts such as paintings, drawings, sculpture, dance, music, drama and film, etc. It attempts to inculcate a scientific understanding of the principles underlying the branch of visual communication. It attempts to develop inputs to create similar art imagery at low cost at the classroom level. It offers the needed expertise to the students in terms of expanding their knowledge and expression in reaching out the challenges emerging from the markets. The learners will be able to apply their learned tasks to a broader, expanding and wider markets. They will be able to adopt these principles to films of animation and graphics in n number of creative ways. The visual literacy component of this course provokes the learner to construct meanings for visuals against the backdrop of Indian semiotics and phenomenology. At the end of the course, the learner can create and apply his or her creative expressions as meaningful messages in different art forms of media. Institutions which recognize this course are multimedia, film industry, television industry, visual effects institutions besides educational institutions. Need for a professional in this subject is very high and therefore job opportunities are very wide. The course involves structured tutorials coupled with PowerPoint presentations. It involves interaction with industry professionals besides assignments. Those who are interested can enroll on this free course at Swayam portal.